Hey guys, it's another renovation video. I think it's episode 3 and today I'm renovating the local shop. Except I didn't really have let's just be honest, I couldn't be asked to do the shop to the left, so I only did the cafe, which is the shop to the right. Right now I'm decorating the outside bit. I really wanted to have this cute thing, and I finally emailed Boca and they gave me back my Hello Kitty pack. So I was so happy when I could make the drinks and decorate them, because the Hello Kitty pack is one of in my opinion, the best packs, and it's currently unavailable anymore. So when I lost it, the way I was so upset. Anyway, I saw this hack on TikTok, I think, where basically you can put cookies in the old jar, which is meant for money, which is from the bakery pack, I think. And yeah, I turned it into a cookie jar. When I've had one of those IRL, it would always be empty. Also guys, I may have forgotten to record the before, which means I can't use this build in my real place, because that means I have to reset the whole build, and then yeah. So that's gonna be really unfortunate, but that's what I get for forgetting. That's literally what happened with the downtown loft, but remember to film everything before. Now I'm doing the floors, and I don't know what floor to put. I was so indecisive, but I'm really glad that I picked that one, as well as with the bench. I ended up changing the tree later on because I had no idea where to put it. I don't know if I wanted it left, right, or center. It was so annoying. This is what I mean. I kept moving it. Do I want it there? Or do I want it back there? Or do I want it there? It was so annoying. See, I really wanted a cute table in the corner, but I also wanted the bench to be visible, because the bench was really cute. So I had no idea what to do, and I just kept moving it. So I ended up with a compromise, which was to have it me waiting to see the compromise. Yes, that was the compromise. I just had the tree a little bit in front of the bench, therefore making it usable and I guess not aesthetic, but really pretty. Now I think I'm actually finally gonna shush for the rest of this build, because you guys deserve to enjoy it.